We at America's Best Value Inn and Suites downtown Houston look forward to welcoming you. Our hotel guarantees relaxation and comfort during your stay. The hotel features a business center, a completely smoke-free environment, and complimentary breakfast items. Our well-appointed rooms include complimentary Wi-Fi, Continental Breakfast, air conditioning, and laundry facilities. America's Best Value Inn and Suites downtown Houston is a popular choice for those looking for accommodations near Six Flags, AstroWorld, and Waterworld. The America's Best Value Inn and Suites downtown Houston is conveniently located and easily memorable. This choice is advantageous for travelers of every kind. Several nearby attractions, including Reliant Park and Adventure Bay, add to the attraction of the area. You can enjoy delicious food at BBVA Compass Stadium and Houston Zoo when you return to Houston. Check out our website at www.abvihoustondowntown.com